Hello student, welcome to our GK class. The chapter Pupil Places and Culture is going on and our chapter is Business Brain. Here some of the pictures of the business world is given. We have to identify them and we have to write them. The first one is Executive Chairman of the News Corporation and it is a global force in film, television, print and on the internet. He is Rupert Murdoch. Second, he was the Indian most respected family business houses. He has developed the first indigenous car, the Indica, and one of the world's cheapest car, the Nano. The name himself is Ratan Tata. Third one is the Indian company is today three times the size of its nearest competitor, and he built his empire on steel and took over Arcelor, a European company, in 2004. He is Lakshmi Mittal. Fourth one, she is the beauty expert and entrepreneur. Started her company in the 1970. He has single-handedly created a brand of herbal beauty products. She is Shehnaz Hussain. Now the fifth one, he was the co-founder of the Apple Inclusive. He had also several patents for computer. His business idea altered the direction of the computer industry. He is Steven Jobs. Sixth one, in October 2006, she became the CEO of PepsiCo. She is Indra Noegi. Seventh one, under his leadership, the vegetable oil producing company is now the global IT giant Wipro Technology. He is Ajim Premji. Eighth one, she heads Indian biggest biotechnology company Bicon. She is Kiran Majumdar Shah. Ninth one of the world's wealthiest people. He is nicknamed Shaga of Omega. His company Berkshire Hathaway buys share of almost every type of company. He is Warren Buffett. Tenth one, he heads Indian largest private sector enterprises Reliance Industries. As you know the Reliance Industry, so he is Mukesh Ambani. Now come to the next one, that is the woman power. There are the some pictures of the woman leader of yesterday and today and some clue about it. We have to recognize them. The first one, first ever woman chancellor of Germany, she is Angela Merkel. Second one, often referred to as Iron Lady, she is the Prime Minister of UK from 1979 to 90. She is Margaret Thatcher. Third one, the world's first woman Prime Minister and thrice Prime Minister of Sri Lanka. She is Srimavo Bandaranaike. Fourth is Australia, first female Prime Minister born in Wales, immigrated to Australia in 1966. She is Julia Gillard. Fifth one, become the Prime Minister of Bangladesh in 2008. She is Sheikh Hasina Wajid. Sixth one, elected a first woman Prime Minister of Israel in 1969. She is Golda Meir. Now the next topic is war and battles. Some of the clues of the war and battles is given. We have to identify. First one is given, in the Battle of the Waterloo, the English and their allies put an end to the ambition of the great French leader. He is Napoleon Bonaparte. Second one, the Battle of Kolenga was fought by the Emperor Ashoka to conquer an area which has recently renamed in India. It is none other than Odisha. Third one, a young peasant girl received divine inspiration during the Hundred-Year Wars. She is Joan of Arc. Fourth one, in the Battle of Marathon, the great empire was defeated by the soldier of Greek city-state. The name the empire is Persia Empire. Fifth one, between 100,095 and 1291, a series of war was fought to restore Christian control in the Holy Land. Name this war is Crusade. Sixth one, the Crimean War was fought between the Russian Empire and the alliances of the French, British, and Ottoman Empire, along with the Kingdom of Sardinia. Name the invention. It is telegraph. Seventh one, the Optimum War were fought between China and the British Empire. So name the Chinese island that has annexed to Britain at the end of the war is Hong Kong. Eighth one, the Franco-Persian War was a war between France and Persia. Name the country where it held. It is the German Empire. Ninth one, the Boers War were fought between Britain and the Boers in what in the now South Africa. Name the main occupation of the Boer. It is farming. The Korean War was fought in Korea between armies from North Korea and South Korea. Their territories are roughly demarcated by a line of latitude. Name it. It is 38th parallel. 11th one, the Vietnam War were fought between North and South Vietnam. This war was a part of larger ideological conflict between the US and USSR. It is Cold War. The 12th one, the Iran-Iraq War was fought between these two countries who had a history of border disputes, and it uses the two types of weapons. Name them. It is chemical and biological weapon. 13th one, the Yugoslavia war were fought because of the ethnic tension. These wars were infamous for their war crimes. Name one person related to this conflict. He is Solobudan Meleskian. 14. The Kargil War was fought between India and Pakistan in Kashmir along the line of control. Give the alternative name given by the India to conflict. It is Operation Vijay. 15. The war in Afghanistan began by an invention of the country by the US and UK in retaliation for the September 11 attack in the US. Name the terrorist organization. It is Al Qaeda. Now the chapter People, Places and Culture is completed. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.